Oya Bale. Igwe. Odozi obodo. Igwe. Osode eri a. Ekenekwa ndị. Osode eri no. Mona bua. Iye ri oba. Hey. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing?
Greetings, Your Highness, and salutations to your chief for standing so firm with you.
What's all that noise for this early morning?
Oh, my prince, I know you have forgotten that today is the first day of Igweke Day. Your birthday is right by the corner.
Oh my God! I totally forgot. Oh, Chinelo, why didn't you wake me up early?
I am sorry, Your Highness.
Culture, our heritage.
The prince. Thank you.
Oh, I thought you were supposed to be dancing with mother. It's very dangerous, you know. You choke.
No. It is said that a prolonged check of music intelligence makes the dancers weak. But the reverse is the case in our own. We are rather energized in wait for the day when our own son, the future king of Abamike Kingdom, the heir apparent to the throne of our forefathers, will become a full man.
Oh no, we have spoken very well. Yes, but let's be reminded that, well, the celebration is still 3 months away, so the waiting is still worth it. Let's be patient.
If we have waited for 9 years and 9 months, 3 months won't be a taboo.
No, you're right.
Oh, I am still pleased.
You have spoken
as a wise man that you are.
Oh,
I said as, not like.
I meant you.
Yes. Actually, this meeting is for us to discuss and plan for the ceremonies you've mentioned already, which are my son's birthday ceremony and his bride choosing ceremony.
Oh, yes.
Okay? We're going to plan, we'll set up committees to handle the various aspects.
Oh, that's good.
All right?
Yes.
And also, I have sent messages across to the kingdoms, our neighboring kingdoms, inviting them. And my Lord also reliably informed me that the Minister for Women Affairs, Mrs. Maduka, will be attending. Yes. So, with these important dignitaries that we are expecting, we need to plan very well.
Yes.
So that the ceremony will be a grand one.
Yes, it is true. I think we must plan very well.
Yes.
Come in, the door is open.
Your Highness. Your Highness, His Majesty.
How do I look, Chinelo?
Your Highness, you look elegant, superb, modish, and exquisite, Your Highness. Blessed is any eyes that will behold you, my prince.
Iche Malaki, you are going to get across to the town crier. Tell him to announce to everyone in the kingdom, you should go to the nooks and crannies of this kingdom and tell them that any pure maiden, when I say pure, I mean pure. You know what I mean?
Of course.
Any pure maiden that is interested in becoming the future queen of this kingdom.
Chinelo, you and your choice of words, flattering tongue all the time. Now I need you to be honest with me. How do I look?
My prince, you are looking good. The outfit sits so perfectly on you. Curse be on me, should I speak forcefully to you, my prince?
Enough! Chinelo, you do not need to swear.
Should come to the palace in a fortnight to contest among her peers. Perhaps she might be lucky to be the future queen of this kingdom.
I'm sorry. The prince is in.
Father, you are late, son.
I'm very sorry, Father. I read till very late last night. I didn't know when the sun set upon my slumbering. Please forgive me, Father.
You know I will always forgive you. Huh? You are forgiven. Please sit. Yes.
Thank you very much, Father. Please sit down. My elders, greetings.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Your Majesty.
I suggest that we use our local dancers and drummers instead of hiring these worldly musicians.
That is exactly what we are going to do, Ichi. We are celebrating our cultural heritage.
Yes.
Therefore, we must use our cultural entertainers like them.
Also, Your Majesty, let us not forget our daughters and sons in diaspora. We should send message to them in case any of the maidens will be interested to become the new queen.
New queen? Are you trying to take my Lolo away from me? Future queen. Correct yourself.
Future queen.
That is a good one. And you know, like they said, the reward for hard work is what? More work.
So
you will take that responsibility to make sure the message gets to everyone.
No problem, Your Majesty. You can trust me on that.
My son, our Ichis need cola. Tell Unzube to come and arrange for them.
Give her my Ichis cola. I'll have that fixed immediately.
What is it? What is it? What is it? What was that rubbish you did at them? What was that for? That man called me first and you went to answer him.
So, you were slow to answer him now? Or have you forgotten that early dogs drink clean water? Please, Auntie, I don't have power for all of this. Okay, so why are you crying?
Oh, we'll see you and I who is going to cry.
Would you please, I don't have strength for any of this. I don't have the time at all. I am so tired. I need to rest. So just leave me alone.
Madam, come here. Come here. Where is the money? Give me the money.
Oh, what? No, what will happen? Would you not tell me what will happen? Please, I am not in a happy mood at all. I am not in a happy mood, cha-cha-cha. So just leave me alone. I need to rest.
You see me that is celebrating now. Me, I'm celebrating, Okoya. Give me that money before you know I call rubbish. Give it to me. Give me the money.
Okay, the money I'll give.
Yes.
And don't worry, I'll give
you.
Give me. I will give you.
Yeah, nobody's killing anybody. What did you do to your sister?
Papa, I didn't do anything to her. I did not do anything to her.
Then why is she after you?
Papa, I don't know.
What happened?
Papa, can you imagine? On our way coming back, when we were coming, one man now stopped us, was calling us. And I decided, let me just do small shakara. You understand? As a beautiful girl that I am. Before I could know it, Ginika now answered the man. The man now gave Ginika money he was supposed to give to me.
Chelo. You mean all this hula baloo and rancor is about a man? A man in Abamike. Man. Who is this man in question?
We don't know the man, but I know the money he gave to Ginika, and she must bring it out.
Oh. Sometimes I wonder why your mother will give back to you fools.
Our mother.
Both of you, good for nothing. All you know is eat and fight. Eat my heart and sweat. My food, eat and fight. No plans. Listen, your mates, most of your mates are married. And they are financially buoyant, feeding their own families. But you here, you don't have any single plan for yourselves. No single plan, good for nothing. But why? Malachi, why? Why is your case like this? Why have you given me fools and daughters? Why? I wonder why Chukwuokike allowed your mother to give birth to both of you for me.
Papa, leave our mother.
You can imagine?
Papa, that thing that you just said now is very, very wrong. You are getting it all wrong. Papa, I have plans. Papa, I have good plans. Iwe plans, mighty plans. Plans that will shock everyone in this village, everyone in this community. Papa, you are looking down on me. Papa, you are looking down on me, and I do not like it. No, Papa.
Shut up. Where is the plan?
Ginika. Papa.
You did the plan.
Papa, I have plans.
You have plans?
I have plans, Papa. Good plans.
Over.
Yeah. Bring that money out, Ginika, planner.
Who should leave?
Planner, bring the money out.
Who should leave my dress? Who should leave my...
Yes.
Alas, the day is fast approaching that I'll leave the confines of this palace. that I will leave the confines of this palace.
Son, I understand how you feel, but that is our tradition. Abamike has been a very peaceful kingdom all these years. This whole thing didn't start today. It has been around since the time of our founding fathers.
Mother, you keep saying you understand, but truly, you understand nothing about sitting in this palace for the past 30 years of my life, wondering what's out there. So many things I desire to see that I've only seen on the internet and social media. And sometimes I wonder if they are for real.
Son, when I tell you I understand, believe me, I do understand. Do not forget that your father experienced this before he became king.
Mother, that's my father, and not you. If he says he understands, I will believe him. Mom, do you know how it feels to be seated in one place for the past 30 years of your life? With no friends, no social knowledge of what's out there. The only time I'm allowed to leave this palace is with His Majesty on an official assignment. What kind of king do you think I will make without allies?
Well, the best. You will make the best king ever. Listen, Abamike, like I said, is a very peaceful kingdom. It has recorded a lot of successes. And I believe it is because of our tradition. We have never gone to any war and lost. Son, your father is a wonderful king. So was his father, and so were his forefathers. I believe, son, that you will make the best of them all. Trust me.
Well, I can't wait for all of this to be over, Mother. I just can't wait. Maiden, please go to the kitchen and tell the chef that the prince is hungry.
Yes, Your Highness.
You've been staring at me for the past 4 minutes. Are you not going to answer my greeting?
My love, the most beautiful woman in Abanike Kingdom. The morning sun. You know, see, I keep staring at you because each morning you keep getting so beautiful.
Thank you.
Yes.
But you keep flattering me each day we are together.
Oh, come on. I do that because each day that breaks upon us, you get so beautiful.
Thank you.
Yes. I have something for you. My love, the most beautiful woman in Abanike Kingdom. The love of my life. You know, one man said that the energy of life is in a cycle, and until you find the center, it is not complete. Sweetheart, you complete me, and I found you. Please, marry me.
I'm sorry.
Please don't say no.
I know I've always wanted this, but Right now, I can't.
My love, why? But you said you love me. And you have said it. You've said it oftentimes that you love me. Please accept this ring.
I'm sorry. I love good things too. But I want to partake in the bridal royal contest. Please.
No. Bridal royal contest. No! Sweetheart, you can't just throw away everything like that. The love, the affection, everything we've shared. You can't. Please.
Nonso, why are you making this whole thing look as if it is entirely my fault? Remember, I begged you for 18 good months. I begged you to come and see my father, but you refused. You said you are not ready. I want to try my luck and see if I can win the crown prince's hand and become the queen. Look, I'm sorry. If I knew this is what you wanted to do today, I would have stopped you. I can't marry you now.
Listen, please.
See, look, I want to take. I'm taking my shot at the palace. Please, please, I can't.
Excuse me. Sweetheart, Vera. Vera, please.
What is the meaning of all this nonsense? Aren't you both ashamed of yourselves? Eh? The place you use in eating, flies infesting on it, even eating with you people. You can't clear it because of your stupidity? What's going on? Eh? Oh, Ginika!
What's the meaning of this now, eh? Every time, Ginika, what did I do now, eh? She's my younger sister, she's supposed to clear this place. You know she's always looking for my trouble, but yet you keep calling my name. Oginidi, what is it?
You are a fool.
Papa,
you are a big fat fool.
Papa, if you tell me that I am fat, I have no problem with it. But calling me a fool, Papa will not take it. I am not a fool, don't call me a fool. I am not a fool, what is it now?
You are a fool. A big fool. And Papa knows it.
Uju.
Look, listen. Are you better off? Ujunwa, are you better off? Look at you. Nonsense. Idiot. You are not blowing up blue like her. Eating. No single thing in your brain. Nothing. I have been struggling, racking my brain, thinking of how. Thinking of. I wonder why your mother just gave both of you to me.
Papa, you know I don't like it. Stop comparing me to her. You know I'm better than her. You still collect uppercuts now.
If you try.
No, wait, Uju, you want to fight? No, Uju, tell me you want to fight.
Will you shut up? Enough. Sometimes I wonder why your mother will give birth to both of you fools. I racked my brain thinking of how to make one of you the prince's bride. And you are here wasting my time, wasting my energy, and here you are fighting over food, rancor, why? Malachi, why is my case like this?
Papa, sorry. Papa, but wait, that thing that you just said now, as in, do you really mean it that you want me to become the next queen of this great kingdom?
Shut up, I did not say you. I said one of you. That's what I said.
How will she comprehend what you're saying when she's nothing but an empty skull without sense?
Uju, you have started again, Uju.
If any one of you should say one foul word in my presence and you cross this line, look at this line, I will squeeze both of you. Try me. I will squeeze both of you. What's the meaning of all this nonsense?
Papa, let's leave that one aside, Papa, this thing that you just said now is very, very important. It's a very, very good and vital information. Papa, talk to me, daughter and father. Eh? You know I'm the oldest, right? And I'm supposed to be the princess bride. So tell me, what are the plans? What are the way forward? How are we going to make it happen? Let's put one or two together and arrange everything.
Genika.
Papa?
Genika.
Papa, my father.
Genika.
Papa. Oh, my father.
Use your brain and think, and let me use my brain to think.
Senior sister, would you want to clear this place now? Would you? It was a mistake. I was supposed to come out before you. Papa! No!
All the time. And I know say na your own style of love, local love. You go see person instead of baby, you go. In fact, me, to show you say I love you too. And I love you too be that.
Nzube, what is it? Why are you blocking my path?
Tell me, why am I blocking your path? I get another thing where they find from you. No be the same thing why they beg you since the same thing. If na Yoruba man na, you go say, Emi Loka. Wetin me say, na my turn, na me reach to do this thing. Wetin they do you? Something where people they share, go, outside they share and like guru. They share this thing no get meaning. Your own, you go come use it, all your mind, the whole and wetin be your problem? Free this thing, may we use it. Like I do run on top of this. I not to understand you. Wetin they worry yourself?
But my answer is no. Till tomorrow, no.
Your answer is no. Wetin they worry you? Something where they give you for free, you no pay for. Your mama just come out with this thing, dash you something. You just see me, and me you go use anchor the cover. You go give me this thing, no? You no get as a woman, you must give me this thing. Wetin they worry you? Do this thing, freestyle this thing, may we run on top of you. They do anyhow.
Kingsbury, please. I don't like this kind of nonsense. Don't try it next time. I need to go and attend to the prince.
The prince can wait. This thing is important thing. When I about Diane, what did you name release this thing, may we freestyle on her.
Okay, the prince should wait. He should wait. Maybe you will hear from the queen.
Queen there? She there? You can go.
Ah! So you're not even man enough to stand the queen?
I didn't say she there asleep, but I say she's
stupid man.
Come, see, baby. This girl no get sense. This girl no know say she there now. I don't already do am for my head like 3 times. Since I don't do it like 4 times for my head. No be today I begin do myself. This one's why they do now to just conclude them. Just come make I openly complete them. And I didn't really remain. Just they do anyhow. Baby.
Come in.
Your Highness.
You're 4 minutes late. Why is that?
I am sorry, Your Highness. I was delayed by personal issues. I've come to make your bed.
Go get me a pack of juice. Strawberry to be exact. And please this time, don't stay too long. All right?
Okay.
I need to sleep.
Vera, I must tell you the truth. What you did yesterday was wrong. Why will you reject Nonso's proposal to you?
Hey, you're so full of short-sightedness. Are you saying I don't have what it takes to be the queen of this kingdom?
I didn't say so, Vera. Just that a bird at hand is better than 1,000 birds in the bush. Nonso is an handsome man, and he will definitely make a good husband.
Well, America, life itself is risky. To sleep and wake up is a risk. And it is said it is either you take the risk to succeed or you risk to fail. And besides, I gave Nonso lots of opportunity to come and see my father, but they refused. He said he wasn't ready. Just yesterday, the organ sounded concerning the Prince Royal birthday and bread selection. He suddenly became ready. That boy Nonsoba, he must be a wizard.
Vera, you can't tell me that. It was just a coincidence, and you can't tell me that Nonso bought that ring yesterday.
Maleek! Make that coincidence ahead. Kill you there. Are you stupid? I want to ask you, what is the matter with you? Does poverty permanently reside in your father's footstool?
Papa, good morning.
May you be cursed with that, your useless greeting. Take it back to your father if your mission is to always come here and give my daughters wrong advice. You, forward march.
People blessed with our culture, our heritage is our pride.
My friend, once again, I welcome you to my abode. You are welcome. It's been a while, oh. All this while, you've not been contacting me. Man, this one you have showed face. I hope all is well.
Malaki. My Malaki. My old Malaki. It has been a very long time. Malaki, we are fine. You can see we are fine.
Thank God.
And the way I'm looking at you, you are much more than fine as well.
It is the grace of God, though. It's not me.
We just decided to come and pay you visit. You know this boy here? Was small when he was in your class, Chima. My little Chima, you normally flog because of his stubbornness. Think back.
Oh, Chima. That little witcher.
Yeah.
Hey!
You are growing a man.
No, I think I should cover my beard so that your own can overshadow it.
Children of nowadays.
Chima, how are you? No, you will live long. Nickel.
Is here.
I see now, okay, Basia, Ochili Bear.
Oh, Quibo.
Chima, it is well with you.
Thank you, my brother.
No.
My good friend. God don't bless me. Chima came back with big money and told me, Papa, I've made big money. I said, thank God. Thank God, my son. He said, not all. He said, you want to be a man. I said, you're already a man now. He said, no, not that man. He said, you want to be a married man. I said,
hey, Mbano.
Are you thinking towards that direction?
You
that big?
We will follow him.
He said he's capable.
Oh.
I said, but then, have you seen any beautiful girl? Because the person must be beautiful. That's true. He said, yes, he has seen a beautiful girl. I said, where? He said, your house. I said, Malaki, my friend, the house. Okay. God, don't finish him. He said, in your family, there's a beautiful girl of yours that he must pluck out of this family. I said, Chima, are you sure? He said, yes. I said, since it is your family. My brother. Nekuya.
Even this one.
Nekuya.
Well, it's a nice idea. It's a nice one. Man, you see, my daughters are actually going for the royal contest for the prince to pick any one as his bride. Okay. And they have entered for the contest. So, man, I cannot deny him his request. I don't know which of.
So, Malaki, you see, you are blessed. Times 2. Double blessing. Now, when one of your daughters will settle with the prince, the remaining one will settle with my son. Bros, this is what they call a double portion. God don't give you double portion.
Oh, you're a man of wisdom, but you always. Oh, that's nice. If you see any of my daughters that you are interested in, will you be able to recognize her?
Yes, Nai. She is very, very obvious. Very, very visible. Obvious. Ucucious.
Oh! Namono. Namono. That's my son.
Yes,
Oh, you didn't hear?
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Ginika.
Oh, you didn't hear?
Ginika Joko. Ojunwa. Ah, owe na kwa. Ojunwa. Bia.
Papa, you have visitors. Yes, yes.
How are you?
Where is your sister?
She's sleeping.
She's sleeping. Go and wake her up.
I should carry her.
No. Carry her.
Bring her here.
Idiot. Sorry. She's going to call the sister.
Okay.
What you Olokwano, how is work? How is business?
Malaki. Since God raised this boy for me, I've been resting.
Hey, you're lucky.
I've been resting. No more suffer.
Baba, I can't wait to have her to be my wife.
Today.
Thank you for following me here. If not, see finish.
All is done.
Obadaisa. So the one. As you can see, very, very obvious. Visible. Obvious. From here you notice.
Yeah?
Obi, Uku.
Jesus. Hey, I get it.
That's her.
I called you. Sit down. Nam. My daughters. Ginika.
Papa.
Do you know this man?
No, Papa. I don't know them.
This man here happens to be my very, very good friend of Welcome. And the young man there, he was a small skinny boy. And I trained him too. His son. They have come for your hand in marriage.
He has made money.
Papa, what did you just say?
What you know now? He wants to worry you.
Thank you, Mama. Papa, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my daughter. How was the journey?
Very well, Papa. Thank you.
You're
How
welcome.
are you?
I'm okay.
You're welcome. Thank you. Cigar. You know I made it for you know now.
I know. Hey, let's take your bag inside. I was about going to the market to get things to prepare the ofaku you told me you eat when you come back.
No. I'll just take the bag inside myself and I'll follow you to the market.
Bow.
No. You need to rest. You know you're just coming back from a far journey.
I will not stay long at the market.
We are saying the same thing. Since you're not going to stay long, I'll just drop the bag. We can go. And moreover, I need to buy something for Papa. I was rushing down here and I forgot to buy him something.
As stubborn as ever.
Who did she take after?
Yeah, well,
Let me buy you something.
It's okay.
Alright.
It's alright.
You will take the bag inside.
Don't worry, I will
Papa
take it.
inside. Don't worry.
And if you are coming, no?
My daughters are going to be a good, Hey.
My wife.
Congratulations, my dear sister.
Thank you, my sister. Thank you. Papa, thank you very much. But this is the first time you're doing something really, really good for me, and I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Papa.
You know that I love you. I want the best for you.
I know.
I want the best for you.
Yes,
Adamo. Adaderuku goat.
Thank you.
And as a father, I will always want the best for you.
Thank you, Papa.
Since you say you like him, over.
But Papa, you know, I just woke up now. Let me go and freshen up and look good for my handsome husband.
Yes. Allow her, Jelu, allow her to go and freshen up. While you go and help your sister to go and freshen up.
Okay, Papa.
Ngwano, go and freshen up. Go and freshen up.
My husband.
My wife.
You are making me
Then my friends, will you get out of here, idiot? Go and help and freshen up your sister. Freshen your sister up.
She's so beautiful.
So, is it Ankebun Ken? Oh, yeah.
She's too beautiful.
My sister.
Uju, I don't understand. Why are you laughing? No, what's funny? No, why are you laughing? Uju, you and I are supposed to be in that palace. Do you know that our families stand at a greater advantage if you and I make it to the king's palace? Don't you know that?
Beto, that's true. You and I in the palace. Hey, do you know I never thought of that?
Why would you think about it when you don't have sense? You don't have brain. You can't even think. Don't you know that man has plan? No, you don't know that man has plan. He wants to reduce our chances of going into the king's palace. Or even for the prince to even see us or pick one of us. He knows what he is doing. And here you are laughing.
I'm sorry, nah. I'm sorry. See, it's okay. I support you. I believe you. Do you know what will happen? I know what to do. I will help you. I'll help you.
What do you want to do? How can you help me?
Say, now, I'll go and bring buckets. You weigh on it. I need to. I'll weigh on it. We'll not carry that Papa cane. We'll pour the urine on him and flog him very well.
Hey! But you have sense.
Yes.
You have sense, oh. You have sense.
I have sense.
You have sense.
I'm coming. Wait, let me go and break it.
Okay. How can I marry that stupid man? Just look at his legs, the shoe. Oh my God, everything about that man disgusts me. God forbid. Can I even marry somebody like that?
Oh my God.
I can't wait to take her to be my wife.
Yeah.
Thank you for following me here, because if not,
It's good. It's good.
You would enjoy this girl I'm seeing.
I don't need bed.
What do you want to do?
I don't need
do
bed.
Hey, wait.
The bed is here.
Bed is yours.
You didn't get the dress for her.
Hey, Mama.
She's even okay like this.
Don't prepare, don't dress. Everything is there, don't dress.
My wife.
My good friend.
Like this.
I will like it.
My
wife. You won't begin.
There's no problem.
My wife.
Come and marry. Papa, don't come and marry. Tell them, come and marry. You see, beautiful girl. I got my lizard. Papa, did you see his teeth? Look at his teeth.
Just imagine.
Mala,
Papa, did you see the shoe?
Papa, you not try. Papa, you not try.
Papa, did you see the shoe? Did you see that lace? Lace of 1990 rubbish. Look at the useless shoe he's wearing.
You have tried.
Just take a good look at me. That is your turn to marry me. Marry me for what?
You have tried.
Papa, let's take this drink. Instead, we'll use it.
You have tried. You have tried. You destroyed my person. Hey!
We are the people blessed with our culture. Our heritage is ways are pride. The ways of the gods are not the ways of man. They can make something out of nothing.
Who are these two big fools laughing at?
Ginika, see this city Ashawo. You follow come for the contest.
Did you just call me a prostitute? No, wait. Did you open your gutter mouth and call me a whore?
Auntie, I beg you, should not be a mad there, hold on, dear. I don't understand. What they use grammar for? Now, we they use grammar for? Auntie, just hold on there before I go enter. If I enter, I go put her for your body notoriously. You they mad.
Oh, shut up. Shut up your dirty mouth. Yes, shut your dirty mouth. What can you really do? What can you really do? I ask you. You think it's by size, right? See, if you try any nonsense with me, both of you, I will make sure you spend the rest of your pathetic life regretting it. It's a promise.
See chinch. See chinch. Chinch like you. It's not only you sabi speak grammar. See my papa, my own papa, now retired teacher. If you're talking about speaking of English, me and my sister will go give her to you. If you talk any, I will go and beat you for a year.
My baby girl. Asanwam. Mama Asaru.
Oh, mommy.
Don't waste your saliva on these two local champions.
Thanks for
They are
reminding
not worth
me.
it.
Thanks for reminding me,
Let's
Mama.
go.
Thanks for reminding me. Let me not
Let's
waste my time
go.
talking to this young
Let's go. You want me the priest to say we will be fighters? Eh, is that what you want? You two like fight, they calm down small. I mean, just I don't like fight. Eh?
Anchusha.
Use your sense, get sense.
I forgive this girl uppercut now, eh? Uppercut.
I beg you, they go. You two like fight every time. Fight.
Sashi B. Chinch.
See, you see. We go meet. You don't hear me so? We'll meet. Somewhere we'll come for round two, but for now, we just leave for now.
Say B.
Nonsense.
We are the people. Let's
Which one sit down now? Which one you stand?
You know, see this Ebube. I know they like sit down with them. Ebube, I know they like sit down with Ebube. Ebube too like noise. He like noise pass the bread.
Me like noise. Which one say I like noise? I don't like noise. I just dey hello now. Me like me when they quiet like Beragrand. Now they talk say I like noise.
Only one way I go follow na sit down. So you go buy. You go know so you go buy me one bottle of beer first to take start.
You see, what you suppose just use style. Tell me, buy me one bottle. You dey say they make noise. Sit down and beg. You dey Who dey here? Who dey here? Who dey here now?
You know they hear word.
Wetin be your own now?
Just give my babes what they want.
Wetin I go give una?
Which kind of question be this one? You come new year, you don't know our brand again.
I don't understand.
Why you no go forget? So say you know they pay attention to small things. This time your work, you're supposed to be very, very efficient. If you anybody wake up, you gonna say this person and this thing you want, that person and this thing you want. You gonna pay attention, pay details to all your customers. I beg come bring our regular come.
Our first start, oh, first start.
Do now. See as you be like a better person now.
Something supposed to on the table.
This boy, they need to sucker for this place. I beg.
This one are just for
start to.
Bring Druk and Duro ito, ito opo. Druk and Duro.
This boy say no get respect.
Hey, my friend.
Get them what?
My guy.
Don't worry, after this one, maybe if I say when I go do anything, because I don't understand this side of
My
life.
guy, no problem. My guy, you be better person.
Would you go do anything? In the come. Hey, where the Druk and Duro now?
How far now? Until they keep you.
So Chinelo, are you trying to tell me that nobody is servicing you in this palace?
I came here to do my job. Please, I don't
Is it
have
not
time.
the same job we are doing together,
I don't
Chinelo?
want.
The same job that we do.
My baby. Cha, nelo mama ni pega sobwemo. Chinelo mama mi ga sobwemo. Nebi ametumire kimala nandioto ojentele. Ai! My baby. Stop. Kimala nandioto ojentele.
Mzube, what is it? Eh? Why do you keep embarrassing me? Have I done anything bad to you ever since I moved into the palace?
Yes. You have done everything bad. You don't get the one where you don't do bad. You do everything bad. No, make I ask you, why you go find like this? No person go just they find anyhow. Why you find like this? You don't know the kind of people where they employ for this palace. See them now. See as their face they be. You don't have a food to check food. They just go bring you somebody so fine. You just they work anyhow here. I think they do you. See, even our marine spirit don't they even vex for you. One day now you go they work out for road now you go receive spiritual slap bah, for being so beautiful.
I am beautiful, I know. But that's not enough reason for you to keep embarrassing me. Please stop.
See this one. I don't even embarrass you. I go embarrass you the more. I go there embarrass you, so tell you go embarrass me back with love. You don't even know anything. Love where people they find. People they pay money, spend, suffer to get, and they give you for free if they do anyhow. You don't know anything. I go embarrass you till you go give me time. Then you go born boys and girls for me. Arrange my family with me. We they breathe. You have to go.
Chinelo, I have things to do. I'm busy.
Please don't go. Please.
I should not go. No, are you no longer going to stand and watch him flatter you with his serpent's tongue?
God forbid. God forbid I should stand here and watch him incline my ears with his lies. Liar.
Then if you are going, let's go.
Hey, come, make I tell you waiting carry me come. Don't they follow idiot? You know go see better people follow. See who it is. This one no level. This one I see now, just day here now waste of worker. Now they see. If they sack and even resemble who they don't sack already. They follow him. Before you know it, then go sack two of you together. The king say make you bring drink for him and his son. And he say fast. This one no get a CV for him. I tell you something today because I tell you say I love you. Do anyhow.
Okay.
Go do your work, oh. Go do your work.
Don't touch me.
Baby.
Son?
Father.
How prepared mentally are you for your 30th anniversary? The day you will choose your bride and become a full-fledged man for the throne.
Oh, Father, I've always been mentally prepared for this day. For each and every passing day, I wished it was that day. You see, I cannot wait to see what the world out there looks like.
Son, can understand that you may feel wronged for being caged inside the walls of the palace, you know. But I want to assure you that it's just to mold you to become the king. A man who trusts his own ability to make this happen the way he planned them. That has been the bedrock of the successes of this kingdom.
I understand, Father. It is what must be done. Who am I to say otherwise? I believe fate has put me on this pathway to be born into the royal family of Abam Ike, ancient kingdom. I have no other choice but to embrace that which has made this kingdom the envy of other kingdoms and also the most successful.
You're right there, my son. In my days, I revolted against my father right there on my 25th birthday for not allowing me to go out there to experience what others were experiencing. Okay? But today, look at me. I'm more successful than my father. Son, you are going to be a great king because you are wise.
Thank you very much, Father, for believing in me. I promise you I will not fail, and also continue to learn from you.
That's my son.
Thank you, Father.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Shall I see my home, oh my home? Where shall I see my beautiful home? I will never forget my home. Mama Jollof Rice! Oh my home, oh my home, oh my home. Where shall I see my home? Oh my home. Where shall I see my beautiful home? I will never forget my home. Mama Jollof Rice. Oh my home. Oh my home. Oh my home. Where shall I see my home? Where shall I see my beautiful house? I will never forget my home. I want jollof rice. Oh my home. Jollof rice. Oh my home.
Both of you cousin.
Ah, Papa.
Are
you there?
Oh, where shall I see my beautiful house? I will never forget.
Hey! So both of you have gone to drink yourselves to stupor. Is this the way you want to become the queen of this our community? Hey! Malaki, why is your case different? Hey! Where do I start from? Come, my friend.
Papa, I will go and sleep. You're making noise.
I'm making noise.
Yes.
Will you get up and go inside? Are you crazy? Go inside. This way. Come on, will you go inside here? Go inside here. I will teach you a lesson that you will remember. So this is the way you want to be queen.
Baba, please.
Hamba. Fall in here. Fall in. One. This is your home. Fall in. Don't make me come after you. Come this way. One. If I count three, and both of you are there, don't make me come after you. 1, 2,
5.
3.
Oh my
Good morning, the young lion of Abameke. The bird sings of your rising glory, while the ocean roars of your mightiness. The great and mighty son of King Onochie, the lion of Abameke, the one voice that trembles the east. Wake up, my friends. Wake up.
Must you recite this every morning? God, can't you at least wait for the day to break properly before doing this?
My prince, it is past 7 a.m. and soon the guests will start arriving.
Just go. I'll join you later, please.
I am sorry, my prince. The queen ordered that I stay with you and make sure you've entered the bathroom before I leave you.
Oh God, can you please? Please, I beg you, leave my room, please. Hey.